welcome to Trickz. Previously we talked about one of the good effect for portraits. So today video we're going to talk about another cool portrait effect for you guys, and that is rectangle effect. So while we are waiting here, let's get it started.
The first part of this process is making your background. So now I'm selecting white color background from the PicsArt, and then I'm going to the tools and crop, and I crop by 3:4 ratio like this. So now we going to design the background. So first go to the draw menu and draw, and from here you need to select the round cone, square and filled, and OK. And now you need to select the colors that you want to. Now I'm drawing my square. I select the same round curve square with another color like purple, and I need to have same measurements for these rectangles. So first part of the designing background is done. So first you need to save the background. So I selected my image, and first thing first, we need to cut out the human part. So I'm giving the area I want to select. And select like this, and see whether you cut it. And now I need to save this one and go back and go to tools and flip rotate, and you need to flip it horizontally, and OK, and going to save it. So you done the flip part and the unflip part of the sticker. Now you go to the background that you have created earlier and add two flip and unflip versions. So I add my stickers here, and then go to tools and crop, and you need to crop this part first, and from the selected image you need to go to perspective, and you can go to either side, but I'm going to minus 20 angle, from this perspective, horizontal perspective, and I'm gonna save it. Go back and back and do with the other as well. So crop it and perspective. Now I'm going to the positive angle and save it. So I'm done the major part. Now I'm done with the stickers in the background, and now I'm selecting the white color background again, and in the cropping part I selected 3:4. That's my cropping standard here, and now I added the two backgrounds here. So now you can see the 3D nature is coming to the picture. So I selected like this. I'm gonna click OK now, and then we need to add some adjustments from the tool adjustments, and I need to make some brightness into the picture with some of the contrast like this. I need to have some clarity as well, I guess. Saturation. What about the hue? I'll go and change the hue and low the highlights and high the shadows, and done the adjustment. Now I'm going to the effects and magic flora. In the flora filter I selected 3 dots, so I would like to prefer normal like this. Save it. So I done with the effects. If you want, you can add some mask here. Like this. From here you can select these filters as well. You can change hue with matching colors with the background. Done with this side of the photo with mask, and add same mask and rotate the mask for the other side and change the hue with the background like this. Reduce opacity as well. Okay, so that's the final output of 3D rectangular effect. You can see. Let's see the magic.
We discussed about the rectangle effect in details. If you think this video is helpful, like it and share it. If you have any questions, let's talk about it in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned with. And that's for today. We talk about more techniques, more tutorials in the future. So see ya in the next video.